Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. You are all well aware that in 2007, an act called as Welfare of the Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007 has come into existence, which gives enormous provisions for the aged senior citizens and parents also. Normally, if you settle the family properties in favor of your wards, then you cannot get it back. But Section 23 of the Senior Citizens Act, it gives a leverage that they can get back. They can cancel the settlement deed also. This is explained by the Honorable Justice PTASHA of Madras High Court. Actually, the lower court did not agree. So the High Court has set aside the judgment of the lower court. Actually, the lower court has favored the son. Now the High Court has favored the senior citizen, that is the parents. Actually, it is a pitiable story of an Air Force retired officer who has got two sons. Right. So after retirement, the Air Force officer has he and his wife, they have written a settlement deed in favor of their eldest son, who is now in Australia. No doubt, the eldest son gave 3 lakhs rupees and also asked them to collect the rental amount till the end of their life. Actually, what happened is, as per the complaint, it is clear that the eldest son got the settlement deed written in his name only, whereas the parents wanted to settle some other property to his brother Ramesh. So this man, the settlement was done only in favor of only one person, not the other person. What happened later? The mother fell sick. The Australia person, he is not coming. The other person, that is Ramesh, who is not given any settlement deed, he is not at all lifting the phone. A situation has come where the father has to admit the mother in a hospital and there is nobody to take care of her. He has to request the colony president or apartment president to accompany him to the hospital. Actually, he was in a perplexed mood. He doesn't know what to do. He has given an email to his son stating that, see, please remember, Mummy is not well. If doctor says admit, then she has to be alone admitted. There should be some person accompanying her. There is nobody. Nobody is there to help the old woman. And your brother, that is second son, is not at all attending the calls. Tell me, what should I do? This is a pathetic email given by a father to his elder son. Of course, the result is, it's a negative reply. Ultimately, therefore, this Air Force officer, he wanted to cancel the settlement deed. He has filed a case. And for this, the son vehemently, of course, he has appointed a lawyer, and the lawyer clearly stated that once the settlement deed is written, without proving any fraud on the part of the so-called person who got the settlement deed, you cannot relinquish the same. You cannot cancel the same. Yes, lower court also gave the same judgment. Now the matter has come to the High Court. Justice P.T. Asha. So she observed entire transaction and she has come across the email, contents of the email also. Yeah, so she was shocked, finding force in their argument. Justice Asha held that under, please remember, the Senior Citizens or Parents and Senior Citizens Welfare and Maintenance Act 2007. So Section 23 empowers the parents to cancel the deeds if the children do not take care of their parents. Is exactly what happened. The children, they are not taking care of the parents. So cancellation in the present case is definitely, it is in the correct perspective. And the lower court should not have interfered in this in this judgment, or lower court should not have given such type of judgment. And Madam P.T. Asha, she has actually started with citing the Tirukural, which is a very famous, just like our Gita or Ramayanam, Tirukural. So It was written in Tirukural that a son should conduct himself, a son should behave himself so well that people around him should consider that the father is lucky to have given birth to such a child. But please remember, where are our ethos? The above words echo the ethos of our society, but ethos have gone to wind. So the case on hand demonstrates how the values are fast losing their right perspective. Says she is very actually innovative judge, and previously I think last year I told you about the judgment delivered by her regarding that maintenance and champerty, where the advocate asked for a portion of the rental amount for getting the decree. So that is a separate chapter. You can see my video if you are interested. I think I have not given the number of the video at that particular time. Whatever it is, she is a progressive judge and she thinks in the right perspective of the society. She is studying the society. Otherwise, normally, if she sticks to the legal format, normally she would also favor the lower court judgment. Anyway, definitely a revolutionary judgment given by Madam PTASHA. And here what you have to learn is Section 23 of the Senior Citizens Act. It gives power to cancel the settlement deed also. Normally in other civil code it's not possible. Very good judgment. Please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.